All right, we're dipping our water balloon into our chocolate and placing it on our wax paper. So these are just my Ghirardelli white chocolate. Now I'm gonna add some pink candy melts right on top to get a little bit of a pink marbling onto our little balloons. Perfect. Grab your water balloon, dip it, and twist. Transfer quickly to your wax paper. All right, now we're gonna pop these in the fridge for 10 minutes. All right, while that's in the fridge, I'm gonna grab a bowl and a whisk. And I have here some lime jello. This is the bigger package. We're gonna use this whole box of lime jello. You can use whatever flavor you like. We're gonna grab 2 cups of hot water. Pour the whole thing in there. And we are gonna mix this until that powder has disintegrated. Not disintegrated, but you guys know what I mean. Dissolved. 2 cups of ice water. And we're gonna pour that right in there. We don't want the ice to really go in there. Once the ice starts going in there, we can stop pouring. Secret ingredient, and that is our Cool Whip. This is the 16-ounce Cool Whip, and this is gonna make our jello into a delicious fluff. And I did let this thaw, so make sure you let your Cool Whip thaw. Oh my gosh, the combination smells of the lime with the Cool Whip, I already know this is gonna be delicious. But like I said, you can use whatever flavor jello you like. You could do strawberry, you could do orange, cherry, raspberry, whatever you like, grape. I do think that the green is gonna be nice and fun with our other ingredients that we're incorporating. But now we are just gonna go ahead and get that nice and incorporated. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that pastel green is. Okay, you guys, we're gonna pop this in the fridge to let it set. Okay, you guys, our chocolate has fully hardened. We're gonna go ahead and grab a knife and just pop each one of our balloons. Go ahead, look how beautiful that marble is, and you're just gonna peel your balloon right off the chocolate, just like so. Okay, as you can see, we got all the balloon remnants out of our chocolate molds. Now I transferred our jello fluff into a piping bag. Let's go ahead and cut this tip, and then we are going to pipe our fluff right into our chocolate bowls, just like so. All right, before we start decorating these, I'm gonna transfer them to my serving platter so that they're easier to move. Look how cute they are. So darling. I'm gonna start off with just some pink sugar sprinkles, just for a little fun effect, right on top. Look how vibrant they look on top of that pastel green. That is just so fun, and it just screams spring. Okay, beautiful. Now, time to make them Easter festive. I have these Peeps. You guys know I love my Peeps. I'm gonna continue using them. If you guys don't like them, you can do a chocolate bunny, but I love Peeps. We're gonna go ahead and grab 1 Peep and just stick them right into our jello. I kind of wanted to do the lime because it will look like grass, like the little bunny in some grass, just like so.
It's like green snow.
Yeah, it's probably closer to green snow. At least it's not yellow snow. Okay, let's finish these up. And then I have one more thing I want to add. Easter classic, some Cadbury eggs. Do bunnies lay eggs?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, okay.
Well, I know that they bring eggs on Easter.
Yeah, you could add whatever you want to these, honestly. You could get some bigger sprinkles, some more little candies. I'm gonna keep it at that, and it is ready to serve these on my bunny plate. Look how cute. Go ahead, put it right on there. Okay, time to give this fluff a try. Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Is it
That
good?
is so good. All right, we just placed our bunny-shaped sugar cookie dough in our greased springform pan. We're gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. All right, so we took this out of the oven. Now we're gonna put that to the side and let it cool down. While that's cooling, we're gonna grab a big bowl and a whisk. And I have here the Jell-O No Bake Classic Cheesecake, and I'm actually gonna use 2 packages of these no bake. Woo. Right into our bowl. Now you could obviously do a homemade cheesecake in place of the no bake, but I just wanted something super easy and quick for this yummy Easter treat. Now, instead of using traditional milk, we are gonna use strawberry milk. So we are gonna make a strawberry cheesecake, you guys. Now we only need 3 cups total. So we are gonna go ahead and measure out 3 cups of our strawberry milk. Oh my gosh, look how vibrant that pink is. Beautiful. All right, and now it is time to pour that into our no-bake powder. Just like so. Now, if you don't like strawberry, you could just do regular milk, you could do chocolate milk, whatever you want. Okay, this stuff sets super quick, so we wanna whisk it up until it's fully blended, and then this is going right on top of those bunny cookies, you guys. All right, you guys, this looks like it is ready to go. We have to be quick with this because I do not want it to start setting. We're gonna bring in our cooled down cookies. Pull that a little bit closer to me. And we are pouring our cheesecake mixture right on top. I have a Easter spatula on deck. Get all of that mixture out. No waste of this delicious no-bake cheesecake. Now this is gonna go in the fridge for about 1 hour. All right, you guys, this has been in the fridge for 1 hour. It is time to pop it open.
Moment of truth.
Oh, carefully lift it. Look how cute! All right, before we cut into this and see those bunnies, let's go ahead and grab some sprinkles. These are just some Easter sprinkles, and we're gonna put that right on top. Look how cute they are, right? Just like this. And then call me crazy, and this is optional, but I have some Cadbury eggs, my favorite eggs, and I'm just gonna put them on the border of our cheesecake, because look how darling that is. Okay, let's go ahead and cut a slice so we can see those bunnies. Make sure to really get into it and cut through that entire cookie. Remember, we greased the bottom of our pan, so this should just pop right up. Ooh, look how darling that is. Easter has arrived. Let's give this a try. We got our bunny on the bottom saying hello. Oh my gosh.
Is it good?
That was the best thing I've ever eaten. All right, so these are just my saltines. Now we're gonna go ahead and move over to the stove where I have my sticks of butter waiting for me. We're gonna do 2 sticks of butter. Lower that heat a little bit. And then 1 cup of brown sugar. Grab a whisk. So what we're making here is like a toffee caramel that's gonna go right on top of those saltines that we laid so beautifully on our sheet pan. Okay, just let that butter melt. See how it's already combining so nicely with that brown sugar?
Smells delicious.
Yeah, nothing better than some sugar and butter. All right, this is what you want it to look like. Let's go ahead and get ready to put this on our saltines. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and just drizzle that right on top. And it's okay if it doesn't fill up the whole crackers, because when you put this in the oven, it's all gonna spread and cover those saltines. Okay, just kind of give it a nice little shimmy. Doesn't need to be perfect. That should do just fine. So I have my oven set to 325 and it's gonna be in there for just 3 minutes. Okay, so we actually had this in there for 10 minutes. Now we're gonna grab our milk chocolate chips and we're just gonna sprinkle them right on top of that caramel, just like this. You want a good amount. We're probably gonna use like the whole bag actually, because the more chocolate the better, am I right?
Yeah, you're not wrong.
Okay. Make sure none of these escape. Now this is gonna go back in the oven for 1 minute. Super quick. Okay, those were in for like just a minute. Now we're gonna grab our spatula. I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of Pam. And we're just gonna spread those chocolate chips. Would you look at that? This is gonna be so good. Okay, just quickly spread it before they start hardening from edge to edge. That's why we needed all of that chocolate on there. This is gonna be so good.
It almost looked like they weren't melted until you started spreading it.
I know, that's what's so crazy about this recipe. You really never know when it's ready. You just gotta guesstimate.
It looks so good.
Just give it a nice, beautiful spread. I think this bottom area needs to be spreaded a little bit better. Oh, the salty and the chocolate's gonna be so good. Okay. Now I do want these to be a little festive for the holiday. So I have my M&M eggs right here, the Easter ones. And we're just gonna kind of sprinkle them right in, just like this.
Oh, that's so cool. It's so colorful.
Yeah, these colors are so pretty, and this is just gonna add like that perfect touch to our Easter candy. That is it. We're gonna pop this in the fridge for 1 hour, and then we're gonna have the best Easter candy. Okay, look at this. It is ready. I love doing this on foil because look, my pan's still clean. Woo. There we go. Just needed a knife. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Look at that. That looks so good. Oh my, I'm so excited to try this. Just needed a knife. Get a few slices. Right, look at this beautiful candy, Easter candy. Let's go ahead and try this out. I cannot wait any longer. Oh my gosh. That is really good, you guys. Okay, so we're just mixing in our instant chocolate pudding into our Cool Whip. All right, that looks good. We're gonna put that to the side and we're gonna bring in these little plastic cups. I have 6 here, just like so. All right, now I'm gonna bring my ice cream scoop and I'm gonna scoop our chocolate Cool Whip right into our plastic cups. All right, last scoop. We can kind of just get that extra and place it wherever you feel is needed. Looks so good. I love chocolate pudding and Cool Whip. All right, once we get those flattened out, we're gonna put them to the side, bring in our food processor and some dark chocolate Oreos. These are the best Oreos, and these are just gonna be perfect for our little treat that we're making. We only will need about 6 to 8 Oreos for this. So let's go ahead and get that in there and then save those for snacking. Put our lid on, and then we are going to chop these. Ooh, and I love those dark chocolate Oreos for this because they're dark and it gives us kind of a fun effect for our little treat that we're making. We're gonna go ahead and grab this, take out the little blade. And now we are gonna grab some of our Oreos and just put it right on top of our Cool Whip mixture, just like so. And if you have made these before, you know what I'm doing now. This is gonna be so fun and so cute for Easter. We're doing a fun little no-bake Easter treat that kids will love. So easy, they can help you make it. Okay, so we have a nice thick layer of our Oreo crumbles on our cups. Now I'm gonna bring in a mini little bowl right here and some sweetened coconut flakes. We're gonna put a decent amount of those coconut flakes right into our mini bowl, just like so. And then I have here some green food dye. And we're gonna start off with just a little green food dye, just like this. And then we're just gonna mix in that green food dye. If it doesn't go right away, add a little splash of water, which I think is what I'm gonna do, because we wanna dye our coconut so that it looks like grass. All right, you guys, it is a fun green color, grass color. Now we can add grass to our dirt cups. And we're just gonna add a little bit. We don't want too much. We don't cover up all those Oreos. Just like that. And if you don't like the taste of coconut, they do make edible grass that you could use instead. But I just like to use what I have in the house, and I always have a little bit of coconut in my house. But look how fun and vibrant these are coming out. Cannot wait to show you what we're topping these with. It's gonna be so cute for Easter. You're gonna have to make them. Cute, okay. Looks like a little muddy spring day. Okay, now we gotta bring everyone's favorite Easter candy in. And we are just gonna put a couple of these eggs right into our dirt cups, just like this. I'm gonna try to do one of each color right in there so that it is nice and vibrant. Perfect. Okay, now it wouldn't be complete without a little bunny hopping around in our Easter dirt. And I am gonna go ahead and put a pink bunny right here, and right here. And then we have blue bunnies. I'm gonna put them right on top, just like so. Look how cute those are. Okay, let's go ahead and give one a try. Ooh, it's so cute. And I already know it's gonna be delicious. I love that.